Welcome to second video of 3-part series, where I will teach you this 6 viral motion graphic animation. In my last video you have learned how you can make this. Now in this video, we will learn how you can make these too. So let's get started. This one is very easy to create. Search for bouncing ball in the Elements tab. Then filter animated only. Select any one then. Make some adjustment. I will use motivation quotes from here. I will link this document. Copy and paste them to your design. Adjust and add a new page. On the new page, select another elements. Then add a new text. Similar to what we did previously, let's add highlight color. Use other different elements. And use your motivational quotes. This perspective text is so unique, let's use this in our design. There are so many designs to use. You just need to explore Canva library. This is the most viral, and yet the most easy to create. First we need a background which is called motion grid line. Make it white and adjust its position. Reduce its transparency. Search for sun. Select any one of them and change its color to white. Go to Elements and search for stick person. Go to Graphics. Make sure you filter animated only. And select this icon. Adjust its position. Similarly, bring another character and adjust. I will bring this page front and reduce its timing. And for the last page I will use this running man. Search for rain. And select this to match with my design. Now click on the character, then click on animate. Then click on this B icon. Drag the character from one side to other. Select animation style to steady. Do the same for cloud as well. Here you will have a smooth animation. Lastly, select transition according to your design. But I would highly suggest you to select this flow. In my next video you will learn this too. And since you guys loved my video so much, I will be giving this tutorial as a bonus.